I'm Michael from Nebius, and I'm super excited to show you our managed MLflow service that is going to transform how you develop and deploy AI. Have you ever find yourself drowning in AI experiments with no idea which model and prompt version work best, or built a brilliant AI system that suddenly starts giving a weird answers in production? Does it sound familiar? MLflow can solve this. But who has time to manage servers and debug database connections and scale everything when you could just build cool AI instead, right? That's why we built Managed MLflow on Nebius. Now you can use the power of MLflow with zero infrastructure headaches. And let me show how easy it's to get started. Open Nebius console, head over the Manage MLflow section, and click Create Cluster button. So here just need to set up the name of the cluster, set description if you like. I select the public endpoint to get access through internet, and username and password. And click Create Cluster button. That's it. It will take a few minutes to run the cluster for you, and you can start using it. As soon as your cluster running, we can connect it and start using it. So let's open this cluster, the MLflow, and here we can see the basic information about the cluster. We can look into the monitoring dashboards to see how well our cluster performs. We can see logs, we can see additional settings, and of course how to connect and the link to the web UI. So in how to connect, we suggest a virtual environment that should be used to get access to the cluster, and also you can install the certificate to make it easy to connect to the cluster. So let's go to the web UI. So here I have already prepared a few experiments. So the basic functionality of MLflow actually is tracking parameters and metrics of your experiments. So there are like a few ways how to do it. For example, you can see it in the tabular way. You can visualize metrics as graphs. You can go to the model registry and register some models for your experiments and track versions of them, and find all necessary information about the model itself to make it useful and inference it in production. MLflow isn't just for traditional ML and simple tracking tool anymore. There are some specific features for LLM and AI developers that can help in multiple scenarios. Here we can see traces for LLM calls with all detailed information about inputs, outputs, system and user prompts. We can find attributes with the parameters that we use to call the model and the model name itself. You also can see the timeline and the time required by every steps inside your workflow, so you can understand how your application behaves and how you can optimize it. So what makes our managed MLflow special? First of all, it's easy to run and use. There is no infrastructure setup needed. We handle all updates, maintenance, and monitoring for you. It's handy to use MLflow next to your GPU workloads. And of course, our team has your back if you need any help. Check out our docs and jump into our Discord community where we are building the future of AI together. Your AI deserves better tools, so let's make it happen.